It's been raining for 10 days. 10 days straight. It's been raining for like 12 days straight. What do you think of this, camera? Wait, why am I... Camera? Oh, I'm going insane. Well, anyway, this rain is quite a burden. In 10 days, like, it's flooding in wherever we come from. And it's just really not fun. Wait, why am I talking to somebody? I mean, there's no one filming me right now, correct? Yeah. I need an explanation. Did somebody say rain? Yes, me. Why? Why, I am the Rain Meister. Wait. What do you mean the Rain Meister? What do you do? I make it rain, god darn it. Wait, so what are you, a god? Yeah! That's probably just like a superstition or something. We're gonna learn about rain, da 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 da. Rain is no precipitation. No, rain is precipitation. La la. When it rains, it rains. So how does it rain? I already know. Let's go. Ding 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 ding. So when clouds get too big, I already know. The cloud gets so heavy. It falls down, and lands on the ground. Groove, yeah. I already know how rain works. No, you don't. Water has been recycled for many years. So any rain or water you drink, it most likely was peed out by a dinosaur. What? Yeah. I know how some consequences are thunder and lightning. Consequences are thunder and lightning. Rain can cause flooding, yeah, and rain can get on the ground. I know this stuff. Rain, 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 rain. You know what? I'm starting to think you're not, like, a rain creator. I think you're just some weirdo. No, I'm not. Could you stop teaching me about clouds, clouds, clouds? They rain, they rain. Rain, rain has been raining for years. It gives animals something to drink. I know all this, but we're talking about rain. I know how rain works. Huh? You're not a rain god. You're some weirdo who breaks into people's houses and teaches them about rain. But it's an important lesson. We're in silhouette right now. Yeah? So no one can see what you look like. What does that matter? I'm sick of your cloud stuff. But rain! No!